The basic material for making paper is the wood. This production begins when the wood passes through the barking drum. These machines will remove the bark and then be collected and burned as fuel. Finally, the wood will reduce to small pieces. The basic material for making paper is the wood. This production begins when the wood passes through the barking drum. These machines will remove the bark and then be collected and burned as fuel. Finally, the wood will reduce to small pieces. Then, as the water is extracted, the fibers from a large roll of paper. This is pressed and passes through heated rolls, where the loss of water is removed. A chemical solution seals the paper to prevent the excessive absorption of ink during printing.
Well, we're gonna talk about paper manufacturing, and the team members are Luis Carlos Carabes, Alan Flores, and Fernando Reyes. Saying this, we're gonna begin with the characteristics of paper. Paper is natural, biodegradable, and recyclable. And it's also a raw material that can be recycled. One of the most important negative consequences is the deforestation on the paper manufacturing. Currently, Mexico holds the 11th place in forest areas. It loses an area of forest equivalent to 23 times the size of the Zocalo in 1 hour. Forests provide 3/4 part of the Mexican drinking water. They also help to stabilize the weather. Did you know that one tree produces 3,191 sheets? And also that an average person consumes 183 kilograms of paper each year. That is the same as 3 trees per person. Paper can only be recycled from 4 to 8 times because of the polymer damaging. And how about Mexico? According to the annual national consumption, Mexicans consume 16.8 million trees a year. And now we're cutting and processing trees. Recycling paper also helps reduce CO2 emissions and landfill use. And an average of forest captures of 3.5 of CO2 in 1 year. Well, that is how paper manufacturing is. So, right now, we have to be more conscious on what we do and on what we think. Because the deforestation is growing fast and the contamination is all over the planet. So we as humans have the power to decide how we have or want our planet. So be conscious and make good decisions. Thank you.